umwana ominto yentegetanga nda gotebia tokora te familia ara omwaka Raila tokubata ipole because Raila nabwate gento gete kyarenge very unique arenge munegam indi unga kyarenge kunyara ko bwatania abantu banyanza bonse because normally kana gotema ko bwati history ya Raila has always been number one in terms of vote yo Gusii no Gusii bwen spear trage. He's been supporting Raila overwhelmingly chikura chinyengo almost over 60% 70% Raila gochorusu kurugusika and he had a very unique character because ese kolikira lya bantu bonse babeire basokire siasa kurugusia ito bonse baitira sama kokahe
yes
ondeta iyo nchekera kolikira kero monto etira sama kokoma Raila naenda temere ko ba groomed in one way or the other but kera ko tema kolikira siasa yaboneka nyanza bono monto tikaire na endo itoko musabera a candidate which gutwara I think yoka arabu mwaka Fred Matiang'i. And through that is going now to determine what is he going to do very unique na gutaka ko unite abantu baito ba Gusii because bono monto Gusii ani monto nyanzo mogima I feel think there's a very big gap osikoria na no mwaka jaramo kere kiama kia ya zirete kiame ya chiete omwaka nyacha kiama kia ya for the people kera zirete kiama kia ya chiete osikoria baba nyona ebya mabya ebya chiete. So I'm also worried because ODM has been one of the party egotema ko hold a very huge number of politicians bagochoro. But this time, which to rekoranga onye ntoko tuara that unity, which I expect mna nagotebya omwishimwa Fred ali a mechanism yokolenta abantu abamo because as we speak one is rated number one in terms of popularity. But what I want also to say, and I want to advise him as a brother, omwako yomo na 6 months nama tukamange sana for us to make a decision. What is going to happen if Fred him as a person now nero wichiko tenene oire bone ore flag bearer kure kiama ya Jubilee. I wish for him before anything, before any issues yechi party, let him try to intrude Chinsemo Chiabogere, Chionspia and Kisumu, all these counties and Rongo, and in Migori, again Homa Bay, again the Siaya, again the Kisumu, all these Zakwana those governors. Aro sira pengia so that Obama Tebolia no motu abatem no Munyanza, when you recover walk again. So that Naritura Nyare, Koso Kamuna, you see Kanozo comes out from his own Ukamban region. All counties Nero Chibuat. So I also expect Fred to do the same thing. Because if Fred does that, it means now going to one serious party. You never know, because Uhuru Kenyatta, for him being a political leader, party leader, Jubilee, who told you that they cannot merge with ODM, and then they form a very serious coalition.